XRP and cryptos are on the very edge and precipice of a massive breakout. XRP is forming literally one of the biggest bull flags I have ever seen. The market is about to make a massive bullish move, in my opinion, with rate cuts. We have so many breaking news headlines that we got to talk about. So if you guys love XRP, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and stick around to the end of this video. XRP right now is forming this bull flag pattern, which on the next leg up, I'm confident we are going to see nearly $5, $4.60 to $4.80. This is my particular target for XRP. We'll get back to this in just a second. If we take a look at Bitcoin here, we could see Bitcoin has pulled back into a massive macro support, and we have found great support at this level. It is quite possible, after liquidating so many people and pulling back for nearly 14 days, Bitcoin has bottomed. Bitcoin, everything follows Bitcoin. So if Bitcoin is pulling back, it's selling off. Everything, including XRP, is likely going to sell off. But what we are also seeing is Bitcoin dominance is continuing to dump very, very aggressively. And this is the same exact thing that we saw in 2021 when altcoins had their official altcoin season. And we are even forming on the Bitcoin dominance a higher low here, which means that we could even go much lower on the Bitcoin dominance chart, which would mean that altcoins are going to have the biggest altcoin season we have ever seen. And essentially what that means is that money is going to be rotating into altcoins, outperforming Bitcoin. And coins like XRP are going to go absolutely crazy, maybe even reaching much higher price targets than my $5 to $7 price target for this year. Let me know your price target for XRP in the comments below. But as well, if you guys want to follow and copy my trades as a 7-figure trader, go ahead and join my WAP. The link is going to be in my video description. And if you guys want to learn actually how to trade and learn my techniques, join the VIP tier. So Bitcoin is holding very, very strong. If you take a look at Ethereum, these are some other altcoins. Ethereum is the second biggest altcoin by market cap. And I'm confident that Ethereum is going to continue to push up higher. If this continues to happen, Ethereum brings up altcoins. So if Ethereum is leading the market, outperforming Bitcoin, that is very good for XRP. So Ethereum is looking very good. Another coin, Solana here, looking like very, very bullish. We can see Solana is actually breaking out, and we have a price target nearly $300. So if Solana is pushing up, if Ethereum is pushing up, this is going to be looking very good for XRP. As well as the stock market is still literally at all-time highs. We've been selling off for a couple of weeks, but that is normal. We are in summer months, and the months have been quite volatile. And lately it's been quite volatile, a lot of selling, but I believe that that selling pressure is now going to be reduced now that the Fed is bullish, they are dovish and want to cut rates, which will inject a lot of liquidity into the markets. We even have this breaking news headline today that the EU proposes removing all tariffs on US industrial goods to meet President Trump's demands. This is very, very powerful. If the EU does this, this is going to be a massive boost to the US economy and essentially going to be very, very bullish for cryptos. Metaplanet even raising $800 million to buy more Bitcoin. The market is about to pump, in my opinion. This is not financial advice, and things are just getting started. This is very, very bullish, all the things that we are seeing. So we're going to keep an eye on this breakout for XRP. XRP, if you take a notice here, the highs are getting lower. On top of that, the lows, every single one of them is getting higher. And if we zoom into the XRP chart, we can see that XRP is holding this support very, very good. This $3 region seems to be literally a stable coin price for XRP, but I'm very, very confident if Bitcoin continues to push up, Ethereum continue to push up, XRP is going to start breaking out of this coil here, this consolidation. And whenever you have a massive consolidation like this for XRP, there's always going to be a massive move. And the predictive move is going to be around $4 to $5. This is just the next leg that I'm particularly expecting. It doesn't mean that this is where it's going to top out. It means the next pump for XRP, this is where I think it's going to go. We even have a buy alert on the 1 hour time frame on AlgoSniper. We are also, the bands are green. We have a massive green diamond, which is a massive bullish signal. And on top of it, we can see that we have broken above on the 1 hour time frame, the 200 EMA. All of these are requisite and necessary for us to continue pushing higher. So we are seeing bullish signs across the board. You guys can try AlgoSniper today for free, and you can also try my groups today for free as well by clicking the links in my video description. Now, if you guys are going to be trading crypto, the platform I recommend you trade on Spot. This is where I keep a lot of money, and a lot of very, very wealthy people I know, they keep their money on Kraken Pro. This has the cheapest fees on any major exchange in the world. They also offer a whole bunch of things like futures, stocks, and it has the cheapest fees. This is where you can move your money back and forth from your banks. And then if you guys are looking to do day trading and trade with leverage, you're gonna wanna be using Blofin. So all the links are gonna be in my video description. You guys get massive bonuses if you sign up with my links, but you're gonna have the cheapest fees on the internet. These are the two platforms that I only trade on, and my community as well. If you guys got anything out of this video, consider giving this video a thumbs up, subscribing with notifications on, and I'll see you later.